Hi everybody, and welcome to a standard 2-queen bedroom here at Loews Sapphire Falls at Universal in Orlando. So right when you walk in, you are greeted by a full-length mirror. And then you have a nice sized double closet. You have an iron and ironing board, a good sized safe. They do have laundry services, shoe shine services. You have a luggage rack, and then you also have a steamer up there as well as some extra pillows. I love the decor in this room. If you look down at the tiles on the floor, everything is very nicely done, very beachy. Going into the bathroom area, it does come with some amenities here. And the color scheme is just light blues and turquoises. It's really pretty. Full tiled glass door shower with a nice little bench in there. And then this does have a pocket door here for some privacy in the bathroom area. Extra towels, and then heading into the bedroom. Again, we have 2 queen-size beds. Some nice decor here. Ooh, let's turn this light on, I want to see it. Some extra lighting. Have a clock, a phone. We have 2 USB ports and 2 plugs here by the bedside. And then we do have a chair in the corner as well as a desk for working. Love that piece of artwork up there. Reminds me of like Tahiti or something. We have a mini Keurig in the room, and it does come with 2 coffees, a decaf coffee and a green tea, as well as some creamers and some sugars. We have a nice sized TV playing some Universal rides, and then inside the drawers for space we have 4 drawers, nicely sized. Fridge, yep, mini fridge here. And that fridge is pretty big. That can definitely fit a gallon of milk. And then taking a look at our view, we booked a standard view, so we have a view of the front entrance as well as Aventura and Cabana Bay. It's actually a really nice view. On the other side of the hallway would be the pool view. All right, everybody, so that is just a quick room tour here at Loews Sapphire Falls. Again, 2 queen standard view room. If you're interested in booking Universal Studios, any of the resorts here, or this specific one, please reach out to us at Paul and Ashley Magic Vacation Planners on Facebook. Thanks.
Thanks for watching, and safe travels.